If I could show you how this cue ball can reveal the flaws within your stroke, would you be interested? Well, I'm sure you would, and the cue ball never lies. Let me show you how this little white ball corrected my pool stroke and helped me to become a better pool player. Let's get into it.
Let's take a look at this 8-ball scenario where I've got to draw the cue ball straight back for the 8 that's frozen to the cushion on the short rail. As I shoot this first draw shot, watch what happens. Notice how the cue ball comes to the side and runs up behind that red. Now let's take a look at the same shot and watch what happens to the cue ball here. What you've just witnessed is something that's very revealing. The clues lie in that first draw shot. We are going to take a deep dive into the issue, and I'll be revealing a systematic approach that will help you with this situation.
So what happened when I tried to draw this cue ball straight back into this rail so I'd have that nice shot on this 8-ball? Well, many players might think that I might have stroked wrong, or maybe I aimed wrong at that object ball, and that could be true. But most likely it's not, because it's up to our vision center to be able to see the center of the cue ball as we try to draw straight back. So let me just tell you what happened. So in this case, what I did here is I hit to the right side on my draw shot, which squirted this cue ball to the left of that object ball. It actually cut that object ball slightly into that corner. Still made the shot, but we inaccurately hit that yellow ball where we needed to. And it was all because of the squirt on the cue ball, because I hit it on the right side. So we're going to take a look at an exercise that's going to help us with a systematic approach to be able to see center on the cue ball. So without further ado, let's check out this exercise.
Before we begin, I want to say that Skylar Woodward is one of my favorite American players. He's an absolute monster on the table, but this next clip proves something important. Even the best players in the world occasionally lose the center of the cue ball, and when they do, the cue ball never lies.
Wow, cued across it. You can see the cue, you might see it in a replay. Completely across it. Have a look at this, it's dead straight. When you push it to the right, you're going to miss it to the left.
Did you catch what the announcer said? He swiped across the cue ball, contacted it off center, and the cue ball deflected offline. That's exactly what this video is all about. Let me show you a simple exercise that will consistently train you to find the center of the cue ball. Here I've set up Bert Kinnister's Mighty X drill. The object ball and cue ball are set 2 diamonds off from the short rail and 1 diamond over from each side rail. So what is the systematic approach that I was talking about? Well, here I'm looking for side spin on my cue ball when it contacts the red, and I'm trying to make a perfect stop shot. Watch closely at this shot. Did you see how I spun the cue ball? That's not acceptable. That means I hit the cue ball on the left side, as was evident with the clockwise spin. So what caused that mishit? Well, generally for me, it's my stroke and my forward motion, but a lot of players may struggle with vision center. Here's a good tip, and a lot of pro players even use this. If you'll put your tip at the base of the cue ball before you make your stroke and look at the arc at the bottom of the cue ball and center up the cue on that arc, and then bring your tip straight up, you'll be able to hit center. So when you set up this exercise and execute it and try to put no side spin on your cue ball as you create a perfect stop shot, keep a running log as you document what the cue ball tells you. I did this early on, and I typically would see that I was spinning the cue ball with clockwise spin, meaning that I was hitting it to the left side with consistency. What corrected this was for me to find my true vision center. And by the way, I will include within the description of this video and the pinned comment another video on how to find your vision center. Another great training aid to find cue ball center is to pick up Joe Tucker's Third Eye Stroke Trainer. The idea is to position the cue ball between the 2 prongs so that we have equal spacing on each side of the cue ball. And with this equal spacing, we will then be lined up center on the cue ball. And if you're striking the true center of the cue ball, it'll tell you. And if you're not, it'll tell you that too, because the cue ball never lies. And if you want to see another video that will help you stroke straighter, watch this right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.